In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix EA app not opening. So here I have my EA app, and if yours is not opening, then you can try these few methods. So first, locate your EA app shortcut and then right click on it. If you're on Windows 11, then just click on Show More Options and then click on Properties all the way down here. You'll see this window. Click on Compatibility tab, and then over here select Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4. And from this list, select Windows 7. And then under Settings here, select Run this program as an administrator. Make sure that's checked. And then click Apply and then OK. And now you should try your EA app. If it still doesn't work, then you can try this. Open up the Run app by clicking Windows R, or you can just right click on your Windows icon and then click Run. And then type this in right here. So type in %local app beta %. Click enter, and then this folder will open up. Click on anything, or you can just scroll down until you see Electronic Arts here. So once you see Electronic Arts, you can delete that folder. What that folder contains is cache, logs, and just temporary files that just get rebuilt when you reopen the app. So we can now delete that, and now what you want to do is just close this. Make sure that you actually completely delete that folder, so just completely delete it. And let's refresh. Now you can try opening the EA app again. If it still doesn't work, then one final solution you can do is just uninstall and reinstall. Or you can also try the repair function as you're uninstalling. So what I'm talking about is here. So just open up Control Panel, and then click on Programs, Programs and Features, and then in this list, find EA app. Just click on anything and then click E to sort it. And then there's the EA app. Right click and then uninstall. There's a prompt that will appear. Just click yes. And then, as you can see over here, it says uninstall or repair. So you can select repair here. And if repair didn't work, then just uninstall and then reinstall the EA app. So I'm gonna just uninstall it here. And there we go. So now we can just close and then close that. And if you want to reinstall it, then you can just go here, EA app, download, and then download it from where you originally downloaded it. So right here. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.